Hey, my name is Fabian. I'm a product manager at Stanley Black & Decker. I'm responsible for our ride-on products in the European market. And one thing I really like about my job is testing our great products and talking about it. Today, our XZ6 S127. Let's start with the umbrella series description Ultima. Our XZ5, 6, 7 and 8 are part of the Ultima series and do all impress by a very user-focused specification and feature set. The development of all the platforms was heavily influenced by the three most important things a zero-turn needs to provide: performance, durability and comfort. You will know what I mean when we talk about the features of the product in a second. But back to the naming. XZ5 and XZ6 is the name of our residential zero-turn ranges. The XZ5 models are equipped with traditional lap bars and the XZ6 models are equipped with a steering wheel. The S in the model name highlights again that it is a steering wheel operated model, what makes it perfect choice if you are looking for an efficient ride-on mower but you are not yet familiar with a zero-turn. The usage of a steering wheel, like a car, makes it much more intuitive. 127 is the size of the cutting deck in centimeters and leads to a recommended area performance of 1,500 square meter on that zero-turn model. If I think about the design and the features of a zero-turn mower, one of my first questions is, why does a zero-turn mower need big bulky plastic parts? You're right, there is no reason. Look at this strong tubular steel frame, which does not only make the mower look modern and cool, but also protects everything it needs to. The second important thing related to the durability, but also to the performance of the machine, is the mowing deck. The large 127 cm deck, which we call aero-forced fabricated, is made of thick and durable steel and has additional reinforcements at the points which could hit any obstacles, like tree stumps or stones, what you should of course try to avoid. One nice thing about this big deck is that it is foot operated, what makes it more comfortable and easier to adjust your deck height, and provides you in addition the opportunity to temporarily lift up your deck and to overcome something with still both hands on the steering wheel, operating your mower in a safe way. The engine model we use on this mower is an air-cooled 4-stroke V-twin FR691V engine from Kawasaki with a max horsepower value of 20.8, what makes it the perfect, powerful and durable application for our product. Let's now talk about the comfort. By side of the dual hydrostatic transmission, we do have a lot of additional features to ensure a smooth ride. The model is equipped with a comfortable high back seat with armrest, which can be easily adjusted. It has an adjustable steering column to ensure highest ergonomics. Don't forget about the foot-operated deck in that context. And of course, we do have anti-vibration floor mats, which help to absorb the engine and deck vibration, one of the most important touch points at the machine. I don't want to bore you with obvious things like the big tires, the 15 deck height adjustment positions, the electronic deck activation or the LED front lights, and will go straight into one of the coolest features of our zero-turns: the patented synchro steer technology. The way it works is basically a synchronized drive and steering system which independently controls rear wheels and a mechanical solution which also steers the front wheels. Finally, it is a solution which allows to do a zero-turn with a steering wheel unit, and in addition it provides unbelievable control of your mower on hills and slopes. Next, I will show you how to start the mower. Make sure you are well seated. Apart from releasing the parking brake correctly, you only need to make sure you are well seated. Turn around the key. The deck height is adjusted correctly, and thereafter you can turn around the key and start it. Release the parking brake. Of course, you should always check that there is nobody and nothing on the mowing area to keep yourself and others safe. Check that there is nobody and nothing on the mowing area to keep yourself and others safe. The nice side effect of a zero-turn mower is that mowing your lawn turns into a fun affair, and you will likely have very quickly a lot of volunteers to support you. I love our great products. Visit your local dealer, which you can find on our website cubcadet.eu. Try it out and you will know what I mean.